सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, काबिल बनो। सक्सेस ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास आ जाएगी। दैट इज वन डायलॉग फ्रॉम थ्री इडियट। Hello and welcome all to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra, and today I'm gonna address one issue, that is responsibility, and I'm gonna tell you the role of responsibility in our life and how that responsibility lead our life towards the success. So what does responsibility mean? Let me put some stress on the responsibility. So the responsibility is nothing but it is the ability to take the ownership of any task. It could be a small task, it could be a big task, but one should have ability to take the all ownership of completing that particular work or task. That ability is nothing but the responsibility. There are two group of people in our society or in the professional life. One group is always believed to take responsibility, and another group is always believed to take authorities. Let me focus on both group. First group always believed to take responsibility. Just remember and take the statement on the record that responsibility never come alone. It comes with the authority. Let me put it in one example for the better understanding. There was one factory. In that factory, one project was going on, and in that project 25 to 30 engineers were working, and that project is being headed by the project head. And when project engineers was reporting to that project head. However, the project engineers was fully involved in all each and every activity of that project, and he was working with each and every engineers who were working on that project. And that is why that engineers got to know each and every information about each and every work of that project, and that's how he got an overall idea about the project. And that is why he was driving that project effectively, even though it was being headed by project head, but the project head was not able to know each and every uh, thing about that project. If some problem was happening in that project, then the member of that project was coming to the project engineers, rather go to project head. Even though somehow anyone goes to the project head to discuss any problem, then the project head was asking them to ask the project engineers, because the project head already given that all responsibility to that project engineers. And that is why that project engineers was independently taking responsibility of each and every task, and he was replacing members wherever required. He was replacing engineers wherever required. He was allocating a different kind of task to the different member. So he received that authority independently with the responsibility. And in order to do something changes in that project, the project head need to ask that particular project engineers. That is what the authority received to that project engineers. That is why I always believe to take more, as much as you can possible responsibilities. More responsibilities you will take, you will receive more authorities. Somehow, in another context, I'll tell, somehow if someone get authorities, he will enjoy those authorities for a certain period of time, but when it comes to take the responsibilities which is associated with that particular authorities, then he feel very bad and he cannot take that responsibility. And that's why, due to the pressure of those responsibility, he cannot work effectively, and that's how he cannot further enjoy those authority, because he is not in the position to take those responsibility. So always try to take the responsibility rather to take authorities. Don't go behind, like I should become a manager, I should become assistant manager, head in that project. But you should keep in your mind that whenever we are asking for the assistant manager or the head in any department, are you able to take the responsibilities which is associated with that post? If your answer is okay, then you can go ahead to take those authorities. Let me tell you about the another group, the people who always believe to take the responsibility. If the people take the responsibilities, then now I told that they will enjoy they will enjoy the authorities which they received. But when it comes to performing those roles associated with that particular responsibilities, then they feel or they feel incompatible, and they are not able to handle those responsibilities, and that's how they can resign that particular post, or they ask to take out that authorities. And that's happens with many people in the corporate life, and that is exactly happen with our personal life as well. So that is why I recommend you always take responsibilities. Don't run behind the authorities will definitely come with you with the responsibility. Bye bye, take care. I'll get back to you with another videos. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.